in terms of the future, obviously, over the last year, you hinted a minute ago that you've seen lots of sort of email traffic coming your way and very much a pure digital approach. How important do you think in the future it is to have a human element in terms of the conversations, albeit remotely? How do you think it will pan out for the engagement with pharmaceutical professionals in the future, in the new world?
When you're looking at taking on a new drug or changing your own clinical practice, then actually it's very important to me to make sure that I'm making the right decision for my patient. And very often, particularly when there are lots of drugs in a particular class, the evidence is conflicting and it's difficult to actually unpick it. And I personally use the drug representatives to actually try to test that evidence and to find out whether actually it is solid or whether it's just a marketing tool. And part of that is my relationship with those representatives. And if they're just peddling the party line, for want of a better phrase, then I don't believe it as much as if they can actually explain why things that they're saying are true. And we can actually look at the studies that they come out with, and we can look at the whole package that they're offering. Otherwise, you end up with what is, it feels very much like marketing, and you just feel that it's a gloss, and you never quite get underneath that gloss to find out what is the real qualities that particular agent has and why you want to use it. So I think it's vitally important that we have human contact. I think it's vitally important that they understand the products that they're trying to sell.
It's great to hear that the decisions which are made on a holistic proposition with a real view in terms of the support for the patients, not just purely on a commercial basis.
Well, I mean, at the end of the day, the patient is the most important piece in this. And if we can't get it right for the patient, then the rest of it falls apart. So you've got to get the right drug for the right patient. And that's got to be the cornerstone to your clinical practice and how you do it. The budgeting, the commercial bits, the availability, and all these sorts of things are important factors. But if it's the wrong drug for the wrong patient, it doesn't matter what the rest of it is. So that's got to be the key to the whole thing before you look at anything else.
Richard, I won't take any more of your time up today. Thank you ever so much for spending the time chatting to Alveo about the future of dispensing and how pharmaceutical companies can support you in your quest. Thank you.
It's a pleasure. I hope you have a good day.